So now let's talk about conditional statements. As you know, in programming, decision-making is an essential part of the program, especially when the program needs to choose one of the several paths for execution. Solidity, like any other programming language, uses conditional statements to implement decision-making. These control statements allow the program to execute a block of code only if a certain condition is true. So it provides two conditional statements for decision making. One of them is if, and the other one is if-else statement. The if statement is the most basic conditional statement that executes a block of code only if the condition is true. And on the other hand, the if-else statement executes one of the two blocks of code based on the condition being true or false. So here we can find an example. As you can see, we have an example for if-else conditional statement. To use if statement, it has totally the same syntax. You just need to get rid of this part. And yeah, the syntax is basically like most of other programming languages.